Welcome to AP Derm Boston Dermatology and Laser Center. We are a full-functioning dermatology practice. We see general derm patients, cosmetic patients, and skin cancer patients. And right here is our reception area. And please pardon our appearance. We've had to remove most of the chairs and materials from our waiting room due to the current circumstances. But this area here is the area that all patients will come up to. And this over here is our front desk area where all patients will check in for their appointment, and then they will wait here in our waiting area. Boston Dermatology occupies both the third and fourth floor of this building, and we see patients on both floors depending upon the providers that are in that day and how many patients we are seeing. So this is our front desk area. And we do have 11 exam rooms that we see patients in, combined on both the third and fourth floor. So if we go down the hallway just a bit, I can show you some of our exam rooms. And right here is a typical exam room. It is one of our smaller exam rooms, but this is a typical examination room. And I can bring you down the hallway a bit, and we can take a look at some of the other exam rooms on this floor. So right over here, this is our MA station where the MAs will sit and do any administrative work that needs to be done while they are helping the providers that are seeing patients on this floor. Here is another examination room, and if we go down here, right here on our right is a larger examination room that we will see laser treatment patients in this room here. And then this room here is the other exam room that we will also use as a examination room and to treat laser patients. Okay, and then we'll come over here, and over to our right is another examination room and another station that the MAs can use when they are helping with the providers here on the fourth floor. And then over here to our left is a small kitchen area for our employees. And over here is the area that the providers would use for making notations and charts and any administrative work that they would need to do while they are seeing patients here on the fourth floor. Okay, and then we can go downstairs, and patients can either take the elevator that is located in the reception area on the fourth floor, or they could take the stairs. Okay, so now we are located on the third floor, and this is the waiting area for the third floor. It's a smaller waiting area, but patients can sit here and wait until their provider is available. And over here is the third floor reception area, and we typically have someone from the front desk sit down here so that we can help patients out when they need to make follow-up appointments. They can answer the phone here and also take any payments that need to be paid. Over here we have another exam room, which is a little on the larger side, and we use this as a general derm exam room, or we also treat laser patients and cosmetic patients in this room. And this room over here is our aesthetics room, and we do have a part-time esthetician who is on staff, and this is the room that she uses. And also it's convenient, it's right across the hall from the lasers. We also have on this floor, we do have a conference room, and we also use this as our employee break room. And then over here is the doctor's office, or doctor's office, and the providers that are seeing patients on this floor, this is the office area that they would use for their administrative work. Now if we go down the hallway just a bit, we can look at some more of the examination rooms that we have here. And we have a total of 11 exam rooms combined on the 3rd and 4th floor. And then over here on the right is another MA station for the MAs who are helping the providers see patients on the 3rd floor. And straight ahead is our rooms that we use for exam rooms and also for our Mohs patients. And this room here is a larger exam room, and we also use this as a general derm examination room and also for most patients. And then if we go down here on the right, this is where our Mohs lab is, and this is also another area for MAs to do their administrative work when they're helping the providers on this floor. So over here is our Mohs lab. And this is where the histotech could work back here. And also there's an administration area where the Mohs doctor usually sits back here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you do have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. As I had said, Boston Dermatology is a full functioning dermatology practice. We operate on the 3rd and 4th floor of this building, and we are conveniently located close to Mass General and also to a lot of the well-known hospitals in the Boston area. I hope you enjoyed our tour. Thank you.